Hello, I'm Noah Kretz, and I am going to be creating a video for my reflective learning journal on the Google Blogger app. So I am going to be doing my video on the Google Calendar assignment 2. And firstly, I think I did well on this assignment, but first learning the program was somewhat difficult for me because it was a fairly new GUI for me to learn to move through. Second, I think I could make this assignment better by going back and spending a little bit more time checking everything, making sure that it was all done correctly. And what I disliked about this assignment was that I found myself going through each and every one of these several times, making sure that it was decent enough for me to upload for a grade.